Delhi Irrigation and Flood Control Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj has reviewed the regulator of drain number 12 at ITO New Delhi. The water level in the Yamuna is rising at this point. Let's quickly listen in.
WHO ड्रेन नंबर 12 का रेगुलेटर है और इस बार फ्लड डिपार्टमेंट ने पूरे साल इन रेगुलेटर्स के ऊपर काम किया है, इनको चुस्त दुरुस्त किया है, देखा है कि सब चल रहे हैं। यहाँ पे 32 हॉर्स पावर के पंप्स लगे हुए हैं। अगर कोई पंप खराब होता है तो रिजर्व में भी हमारे पास पंप्स और जेनसेट्स हैं। इस पूरे इलाके में पानी ना पहुंचे उसके लिए पत्थरों की एक मजबूत 5 मीटर चौड़ी दीवार बनाई गई है, जिसको गैम्बियन वॉल कहते हैं, और वायर क्रेट्स उसके ऊपर लगाए गए हैं ताकि मजबूती से ये पानी के प्रेशर को ये झेल सके। और मुझे लगता है कि हमने सब जगह रेगुलेटर्स को चेक कराया है, यहाँ के रेगुलेटर को भी नए तरीके से बनाया गया है। तो मुझे लगता है कि यमुना के लेवल्स बढ़ेंगे भी तो ये रेगुलेटर जो है उसको मजबूती से रोक पाएंगे और ये जो रीइंफोर्समेंट्स हैं ये काम आएंगे।
My colleague Shubrana with us on the broadcast. Shub, if you can take our viewers through the details of what the Delhi government has planned.
Yes, definitely, because monsoon is approaching, and there have been a lot of plans by the Delhi government, because previous year Delhi have observed a lot of flooding in all the areas of national capital, which have been alarming. Whether we talk about ITO, whether we talk about Mintu Road, where the situation, the chapter have been same over the past years, but this time, because such situation doesn't arise, because there have been heavy rainfall in the northern parts of the country, whether we talk about Himachal or Uttarakhand. But just to avoid the flooding situation in the national capital, Aam Aadmi Party ministers have been reaching to places. And if I talk about Saurabh Bhardwaj has visited regulator number 12 at ITO. This was the same place where in previous year there was lots of water, due to which ITO was completely flooded. And this time they have made, along with a 5-meter wall of bricks which have been made so that water doesn't enter the colonies. And right now the Yamuna is at 202.5 meters level, so that if the rain heavily falls in Himachal or Haryana, then water will be released to Delhi. Only then the preparedness needs to be timed. So therefore, a lot of preparations have been going on, and also Saurabh Bhardwaj will present a presentation on how Delhi government is ready for floods this time.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.